This is quite possibly the healthiest bread in the world.
First, I'm taking some of my rejuvenated mother and putting the rest back in the jar before mixing in the flour. I'm starting with 100 grams of wholemeal, add a little bit of malted flakes for texture, 500 grams of rye flour, and crucially, around 3 scoops of Zoe's Daily 30. Then I add around 300 mils of water, starting with less and mixing more in if needed until that dough is nice and tough but moist. You're not kneading it, you're just folding it to get the air in.
So now it's absolutely ready to go, except I've forgotten something: salt.
Oops. Cover the bowl with a damp tea towel and leave it somewhere warm to rest overnight. After 12 hours, it should be bubbly and risen, ready to bake. Whack it in the oven for an hour with a lid on for the first 30 minutes, and you've got yourself a delicious and nutritious homemade sourdough.